7 side hustles to make an extra $1,000 this December 2025, even if you're broke and lazy AF. December just pulled up like rent's due, family group chat is blowing up about gifts, and your bank account is sending SOS texts. We're not doing that this year. 7 brain-dead easy side hustles that require zero skills, zero experience, and will still have you stacking an extra $1,000 to $4,000 before the ball drops. Let's turn broke season into boss season. Drop a like if you're tired of being poor in 4K. Number 1 is so dumb it feels like cheating. You buy gift cards on sale and flip them for profit faster than your ex flipped to the next person. Right now, Target, Amazon, and Walmart cards are 8 to 12% off on sites like Raise and CardCash. Buy a $200 Target card for $180, listed on Facebook Marketplace for $195 cash. $15 profit while you're still in sweatlands eating cereal. Do that 60 to 70 times this month, and you just paid rent with other people's Christmas shopping. Real comment I saw last year. Just paid my light bill and Starbucks gift cards. I'm a wizard. Number 2 is Return Pal or Shopping Mule. People are out here returning $1,200 TVs they bought drunk on Black Friday. You become their hero. Post one ad in local Facebook groups. We'll return your regret gifts for cash, no judgment, even if it's an engagement ring. Average job is $50 to $150 cash, 30 to 60 minutes of your time. One dude got paid $300 to return a pellet grill someone's wife hated. Someone's buyer's remorse is your Christmas bonus. Number 3 is Santa Photo Photoshop Hustle. Parents want cute Santa pics but refuse to wait 3 hours at the mall. Solution: buy a $30 Santa suit, take 10 photos once, then Photoshop families in using your phone. Charge $20 a pop. One guy cleared $4,600 last December, and his only caption was, "These kids think I'm the real Santa, and I've never even met them." Pro tip: use the same Santa pic on Hinge. Instant green flags. Number 4, grocery delivery money glitch. Instacart, Spark, and Shipt are paying stupid money right now because nobody wants to shop in 20-degree weather. Hack: only accept batches going to big apartment complexes. Those people tip like carrying bags upstairs is a war crime. Current Spark promo, December 2025, extra $20 per Walmart batch after 4 p.m. One order is $50 to $90 total. 3 orders after work is $200 plus in your pocket. Saw a receipt where someone tipped $140 on 2 pizzas and a 12-pack. Bro ordered dinner and accidentally paid my car note. Number 5, pop-up gift wrapper hustle. Malls and big box stores are desperate for wrappers right now. Walk in, smile, and say, "Y'all hiring holiday wrappers? I'm fast and I don't need the candy canes." Most spots pay $20 to $28 per hour cash plus tips. Or go rogue. Folding table outside Target, cute sign, Bluetooth speaker with Christmas music. Charge 8 small, 12 big. People tip extra when you roast their terrible wrapping attempts. Real review someone left last year, paid $20 just so he'd stop calling my gift mid. Number 6, daily gift idea reels. 100% free money. $0 to start, unlimited ceiling. Every day post one 15-second reel. Day 12 of saving broke people, gift under $30. That ships by Christmas. Throw on trending audio, big tax, Amazon affiliate link. These are hitting 200K to 2 million views with tiny accounts right now. One creator with 8K followers made $3,100 in commissions last December, and her bio just says, "Your broke friend who finds the good deals." Free money while you sleep? Yes, please. Number 7, snow shoveling cash, northern states. If you're somewhere that actually gets winter, congratulations, snow just became your new best friend. Post on Nextdoor or Facebook. $45 driveways, $35 sidewalks. Cash or Venmo, I show up faster than your ex's rebound. One decent storm is 10 jobs, $600 to $1,200 in a single day. Kids get a snow day, you get a payday. Simple math. Listen, this December doesn't have to be the month you eat instant noodles under Christmas lights. Pick one hustle. Just one. Start tonight. I'm rooting for you harder than your mom roots for you to get a real job. Comment which one you're doing and tag your broke bestie who needs to see this. Let's make this the year we stop crying in the Walmart parking lot and start laughing all the way to the bank. Like this video right now if you're done being broke in 2025. Go get that money, legend. I'll see you in the next one.